Before buying a monitor light bar, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's all about how these lights can impact your comfort and eye health during those long hours of screen time. Product number 1, Quinti's Computer Monitor Lamp. The Quinti's Computer Monitor Lamp caught my eye right away, especially given its focus on eye care and auto-dimming features, all for about $39.95. If you want a practical solution to reduce eye strain while working or gaming, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Quinti's lamp is designed to eliminate blue light and flicker, which can significantly reduce eye irritation. It has an adjustable color temperature from 3000K to 6500K, allowing you to customize it according to your environment. With over 13,600 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly resonating with users. The asymmetrical design ensures that light is directed on your desk without causing glare on your screen, which is a game changer for focus and immersion. Now, some people complained about the mounting clip being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you have a thicker monitor, it might not fit perfectly. But for standard monitors, it's generally a good fit and definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're someone who spends long hours working or gaming at your desk. Skip this one if you have an unusually thick monitor or prefer a more traditional desk lamp. For the price, it offers solid value for eye care enthusiasts. Product number 2, BenQ Screenbar Halo 2. Next up is the BenQ Screenbar Halo 2, which is a premium option priced at $199. If you're serious about your workspace and want something that combines aesthetics with functionality, this is definitely worth considering. The Screenbar Halo 2 enhances your visual comfort with its wireless controller and customizable light settings. It features an anti-glare design that perfectly illuminates your desk without reflecting on your screen, making it ideal for long hours of use. The light adjusts from 2700K to 6500K and remembers your last settings, so you won't have to keep adjusting it. Plus, the motion sensor automatically turns the light on when you're nearby. With a 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its quality and ease of use. Now, I did notice some complaints about the price being a bit steep, but honestly, if you're investing in your workspace and eye health, it can be justified. This is especially true if you're a designer or photographer needing accurate color representation. This is perfect for you if you value high-quality lighting and have the budget for it. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Given its features, it's a worthwhile investment. Product number 3, ONWAY Curved Monitor Light Bar. The ONWAY Curved Monitor Light Bar is an interesting choice at just $59. If you're using a curved monitor and want something versatile, this might catch your attention. What sets the ONWAY apart is its wireless remote control, allowing you to adjust color, temperature, and brightness with ease. The ambient light it provides mimics natural light, reducing eye fatigue, while its stepless dimming lets you tailor the light perfectly for your tasks, be it gaming, working, or just relaxing. With a solid 4.5-star rating and over 1,100 reviews, users appreciate its functionality and design. However, some users found the plastic build a bit cheap. Here's the thing, while it may not feel as premium as metal options, it performs well and fits the need for a light bar without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you have a curved monitor and want an affordable light solution. Skip this if you prefer a more luxurious feel in your workspace. Overall, it offers good value for those on a budget. Product number 4, Quinti's Monitor Light Bar 15.7. Next, we have the Quinti's Monitor Light Bar 15.7, which is priced at $31.99. If you want a budget-friendly option for immersive gaming, this could be a fun addition to your setup. This light bar features 24 RGB backlight modes, which honestly surprised me. It creates a vibrant ambience that can enhance your gaming experience significantly. The front light provides adjustable brightness levels with a strong 900 lux output, making it great for tasks that require focus. Plus, with a high CRI of 95, you can expect true-to-life color accuracy, which is a must for graphic design or video editing. With a decent 4.5-star rating, it's a solid choice for gamers and professionals alike. Now, some people mention that the RGB features can be a bit gimmicky. But here's the thing, if you want to set a mood or personalize your workspace, those features are exactly what you need. This is ideal for gamers looking for an immersive setup. Skip this if you strictly need a functional light without frills. For its price, it offers great features for the money. Product number 5, BenQ Screenbar Pro. Finally, we have the BenQ Screenbar Pro priced at $139. If you want something that delivers on performance while being easy to use, this is a noteworthy contender. The Screenbar Pro features ultra-wide illumination, providing over 1000 lux of brightness, which is fantastic for productivity. Its patented clamp design fits a variety of monitors, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. The motion sensor is also a nice touch, turning the light on automatically when you approach. With a 4.8-star rating and over 1,200 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users who appreciate its quality. However, there are some complaints regarding its price point. But honestly, when you factor in its performance and durability, it can be well worth the extra investment for a high-performing workspace. This is perfect for anyone serious about their desk setup and looking for a reliable lighting solution. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. It's definitely a solid value for the quality it provides. So to wrap things up, we've looked at the Quinti's options for budget-friendly yet effective illumination, the premium offerings from BenQ that stand out in terms of features and quality, and the ONWAY if you want something versatile. Depending on your needs and budget, there's a light bar here for everyone. Happy lighting!